Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the LOFT Living app is and how it's positioned. According to official sources from RealPage and App Store listings, LOFT Living is an all-in-one resident experience app designed to manage the full renting journey from leasing to daily living. It combines payments, maintenance, communication, and community features into a single platform for tenants. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official descriptions, the app allows users to pay rent through a centralized payment system with multiple payment options in one place. It also includes rewards features, where users can earn points for rent payments and redeem them for items like gift cards or services. According to official information, LOFT supports maintenance requests, enabling residents to submit and track service issues directly within the app. The app includes communication tools, allowing residents to message staff, receive updates, and stay informed about community events. There are also moving-related features such as guided checklists and utility setup assistance, which are designed to simplify the move-in process. According to official platform details, users can manage leasing steps, including applications and document handling, within the same system. The app provides a dashboard-style homepage with access to announcements, to-do lists, and event participation tools. Some features, such as flexible rent payments, credit-related tools, or rewards availability, may depend on property setup and configuration, and this is not confirmed for every user. The platform is typically available only to residents in participating communities, meaning access depends on property management adoption. This app may be useful for tenants who want a centralized platform to manage rent, maintenance, and community engagement. For users interested in combining multiple rental services into one mobile experience, this could be an option. However, overall functionality and user experience can vary depending on property integration and app performance, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.